We like to look through a smartphone with the monocular so we can see what's out there in a great distance and get a nice close-up shot and hit things. I always like keeping my case on, and here we have is a monocular. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside. Everything's nicely wrapped. You get a nice looking tripod that opens up nice and wide, so this way the product won't fall off. You get a carrying case, you get the monocular holder and smartphone holder, and you spin it to the side, spin it on like so. You get a clip lanyard strap, and you get a tripod head. This allows you to do two things. Either keep it flat on the surface or start to tilt it to the sky. Again, you have to tilt it correctly, loosen up so the swivel head faces behind you and the nut faces in the front, and you're able to tilt in all directions. Tighten up the metal gimbal, and we're going to set our phone up. Take out of the carrying case the actual device. It's nicely packaged, wrapped up. It is a nice size. It's about 5 to 6 inches, size of my hand. It'll fit on to the tripod as well, single. Wear a pair of glasses. You take your glasses off, take the caps off, and that cap folds down, doesn't fall off, and you're able to adjust. And I am adjusting my focus to my eyes, and man, I'm able to see pretty far with it. I'll do my best so I could show you through the camera's view. The eye cup twists out, goes in. This is your focus point. It is a set distance of telescopic. The eyepiece twists out some, goes in some, and this is where you adjust your distance for focus. Take a cleaning cloth, clean both areas, and when completed, put on your lens cap. And there's a lanyard strap area that you can put your back cap on, and off you go. Remember, this is weight. It's going to tilt off the gimbal if incorrectly installed. You're simply going to slide this on like so, nice and tight. As you can see, it slides down. You're going to take your smartphone, you're going to match your camera, slide it into the device. This is an iPhone 12. Open up the lens. And adjust. I'm going to do my best to capture the moment. It is an extremely windy day up here. As you can see, my stabilization is doing the best we can do in the distance we've got in the distance. This is a monocular. On a nice calm day, you'll get a great shot. When you're all done, simply just reverse, take your phone off. You can't put the cap over the outer piece, but you simply remove, put the cap on, and when you go adventure kayaking, boating, hiking, camping, walking, wherever, you have a tripod holder so you can put it on the tripod alone. Go capture your video, your photos, whatever, with your smartphone, or just looking, bird watching, animal watching, whatever you like to do. I hope this product is something that you're looking for. A monocular for great distance viewing. We're here looking through the Pair Monocular to show you what we're capturing through video in the distance over there. We're here looking through the Pair Monocular to show you what we're capturing through video in the distance over there. You could bird watch, you could see cars, airplanes, and whatnot through the phone or the monocular itself. Through the phone or the monocular itself.